we're going to holiday. Our holiday is a hotel. Some people have a holiday in the hotel.
We are going on holidays to Southampton. We will stay 3 nights in Southampton. We are on our way and we are just at services taking a short break. Maliha is here too.
And you can see the journey of there. You want to see? I'm just here because I'm boss them what to say.
Adib is boss of this journey.
Yes.
Yes, aane pahunchi viya hu Premier Inn Hotel, Southampton.
Banana. Thank you.
Room number is 5. Let's go. Come on, Adib. Number 5. See where is number 5.
Number 1. Number 5. And I also got a milk. I can do it. My milk.
Adib, this is key.
Mommy, I can do it.
Touch this one. There we go. Awesome. Look at our bedroom.
I haven't been in a hotel for so long. Jumpy. And it's too fancy.
He ahe asanjo room. Hotel jo.
They look so much cool and fancy.
Kids are very excited. Himala jo caught.
I love this bedroom. Look, and this is Hermione Granger. This is Banana Granger. This is Banana Granger, right? He wants me. Hello, friends.
Hello, friends. Southampton में हलाल खाधे जी गोला कंदे असां के टर्किश रेस्टोरेंट मिली वियो.
Hello, my name is David. Everybody, we in the drive. We've been to other home, but now we're not again. Now we are come to the
Southampton.
Southampton, a restaurant, and it's tastes nice. And thanks everybody